Sup YouTube, quick look and review of this exercise / yoga mat. It's the RETROSPEC and this one's green. While I have the tape out, let me just give you the measurements. It's a little over 70 inches long, 2 feet wide, and I believe they have different thicknesses. This one is 3/4 of an inch thick, so nice and thick. One side is ribbed and the other side is smooth. That's a nice foam. It's very soft, very cushiony. You can use it, obviously, exercise mat, yoga mat, or if you're a ground sleeper, you could even use this as a sleeping pad. It rolls up nice and tidy, and then it comes with a strap that has loops on either side. You loop it on the one side, loop it on the other side, and it stays in a roll. It's held up really well. Like, this is all just like little just wrinkles from like being rolled up, but it's not torn or anything. It's not cut. This is just wrinkling, you know, and just little dents just from like memory. But it's easy to clean, you know. Take a little isopropyl alcohol or a little soap and water and leave it out to dry, and you're good to go. Like putting my hand on it or my knee on it, like I don't even go through it to the floor. Like, this one's nice and thick. I'm trying to think of like common things I saw in the reviews before I bought this. Some people would say that it had a strong smell out of the box, but I'll just say I never had any smell or strong foam or chemical smell. Like, it was totally fine for me right out of the box. So hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a like. I'll put the links down below. This exact pad, they have a ton of different colors and I believe different thicknesses. So I'll try to just give you some sound feedback here. It's very soft to the touch. You can hear it's just a nice thick foam. Hope that helps. Silly little video, but you never know who's looking at these before they buy. So thanks for watching. Thanks. See ya.